Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to import bookmarks and settings in Brave browser. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Brave browser on your computer. Once it's loaded up, look towards the upper right corner of the screen where you'll find the menu icon represented by three horizontal lines. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu with various options for managing your browser. From the menu that appears, hover your mouse over Bookmarks and Lists. This will expand a submenu showing you different bookmark-related options. From this submenu, click on Import Bookmarks and Settings. This option is specifically designed to help you bring over your browsing data from other browsers you might have been using previously, making it easy to transition to Brave without losing any of your saved content. Once the import window opens, you'll see a drop-down menu at the top. Click on this drop-down to see all the available browsers you can import from. These might include Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or any other browsers you have installed on your computer. Browse through the list and choose the browser you want to import from by clicking on it. This tells Brave exactly where to pull your bookmarks, settings, and other browsing data from. After selecting your preferred browser, click Import. This initiates the transfer process where Brave will begin copying over your bookmarks, saved passwords, browsing history, and other settings from your selected browser. The system will work in the background to ensure everything is transferred accurately and organized properly in your Brave browser. Now you'll need to wait for the import process to complete. Depending on how much data you're importing, this might take anywhere from a few seconds to a couple of minutes. Once Brave finishes importing everything, you'll see a Done button appear on the screen. Click on this button to close the import window and return to your normal browsing experience. And that's it. You've successfully imported your bookmarks and settings into Brave browser, bringing all your important browsing data with you. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.